If he'd went straight out from us, you'd have been all right.
That's one. Stuck him into the ground.
You got him?
Yeah, he's stuck in the ground.
What the hell?
Loose. Look at that scale. Look at that fat scale. Damn it, Bobby. You got one? Smoke him, yes, sir. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Don't horse him too much. We'll go get him. We'll go get him. We'll go get him. Bro. Here he comes. Watch out for 3. Oh shit! Oh my god! That thing's huge! Oh, the GoPro! Dude! We just lost that footage. GoPro's gone. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, go, go. Yo, he's back there. Bro, he's big. He's right Put an arrow in him, bro. I can't see him. Just shoot. You got him. You got him. Good shot. Let's go, dude. Yeah. Woo! Damn, baby. Hot almighty. Damn, get him up in here, old son. Woo! That's a goddamn stud. Holy shit. Dude, the GoPro came right off my hat, bro. Boys, look at the size of that car. Damn. Damn it, boy. That thing's big. That thing is huge, bro. That's a giant. Oh, dude, that is a giant. Holy shit. Dude, this thing's got a reeling problem. Bro, good shot, bro. Give me Let's go, skin, dude. Heck all right, yeah. There's your arrow. That made my night right there. That's hype. We'll get a couple more now that that boat's coming back. Dude, that thing's huge. I want a picture. You got, we're gonna get you, yeah. Oh shit. You're like you can't reel a fish like that. Hold on.